Good morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome in today's class. Children, what we will do today? Today we will do the activity. We will make a model of our teeth, that is human teeth. Okay, we will make a set of human teeth with the help of clay. This is a clay box which you can buy from market. You have to take a white color box for making different types of teeth, and this pink color box for making gum portion of the teeth. Okay, let's read in short, then I will tell you how we will make what material we need. This clay and this fevicol. Okay, just wait. I'm going to share the screen where we will read about the teeth. Okay, this is a single tooth. It is a singular form is tooth. The structure of tooth is mainly two parts are there. The crown part, which you are able to see, that is white in color, and the root part, which is inside the gum. Okay, children? This you all are able to see? Structure. This is the structure of tooth. And there are mainly 4 types of teeth. How many types of teeth are present in our mouth? 4 types of teeth. Yes. In the lower portion, you can see 4 front teeth. 4 front teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are called incisors. They are little flat. Okay? You can see. And what are these? It is called incisors and used for cutting the food. Used for cutting the food. Here is also, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. After that, a sharp and little big teeth is present. That is called canines. That is tearing teeth. The non-vegetarians who eat the meat, they have to tear the food. For that, they need this type of teeth. Yes, canines. And after that, canines are total 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And premolars are present. Okay? For cutting and grinding the teeth. For the food. Okay? And at the back, here are molars. 2 premolars. Left side, 2 right side, 2 upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. Now read one by one. This is the picture where you can see all 4 types of teeth. That you can identify easily, it has been colored to make you identify the easily. Here, the green color teeth. Actually, they all are in white color just to make you understand it has been colored. Okay. 4 in upper jaw or 4 in lower jaw. These are incisor. What are these? Incisors. And here, these blue. These are canines. They are 4 in number. And these are premolars. You can see a groove is formed. They are flat, broad and flat. Because we have to grind our food, now whatever we eat. For this purpose, we use these teeth. Here, there's 2, 2, 2, 2. Total 8 are. And these are premolars. 3 premolars. These are molars. These are molars which are blue in color. 3 in upper jaw, 3 in lower jaw, left side. 3 in upper jaw, right side, and 3 in lower jaw. Total 3, 6, 9, 12. Total number of molars are 12. Number of premolars are 8. Number of canines are 4. And number of incisors are 8. We will make all 4 types of teeth. After this, that we will fit. Here also you can say the same picture. Okay. Now children, after that we will write the question answer. You all are ready to make? Now I am going to show you how you will make. Okay. How you will make the model. What I said, what you need? You need this 2 clay. Okay. One is pink. We will take it. What we will do? First, we will make a roll. This is the pink color clay. What we will do? First, we will make it smoother. Okay? You are used to make different types of toys now. Now, what we do? We will make it cylindrical. After making it smoother, you do like this. Press gently, then it will come in this shape. Okay? Press gently. Yes. Now, you turn it in U shape. What shape you will give? U shape. You can see what shape I am giving. It is of U shape. It should be like this. Okay. You can see it is in my hand. And now what I will do? I will make a mark with the help of this pen. How many are total? 18. 16 in lower jaw and 16 in upper jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 incisors, then 2 canines, then 2 premolars. On both sides, 2 premolars. And then 1, 2, 3 molars. 1, 2, 3. Thus, total 16 marks I have made here. You can see on these marks, we will put the different types of teeth. Then what for making teeth, what we will use? We will use this white color clay. This white color clay. And you will make a small piece of that. Okay, you will take a small piece. How much? First, we will start from making incisors. How many incisors are present in lower jaw? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in 4 pieces I have taken this. And now I will give a shape of incisor. What I will give? I will give a shape of incisors. Okay. Yes. Like this you will make incisor teeth. Okay. How many I am going to make? 4. 4 incisors I am making. After that, I will make 2 canines. How many canines I will make? 2 canines. Canines are little bigger and they are sharper also. Sharp also, na? In comparison to incisors. Let's make. Yes, these are canines. These are canines. After that, we will make 2 canines. We will have to make the premolars. And premolars are what type? They are broad. What type of they are? They are flat and broad. Then after making circle, we will press it. What we will do? We will press it for making premolar. And with the help of anything, we will make a groove. You can see in your molars and premolars, grooves are present now, one from this side and one from this side. Yes. Now you can see grooves are made. These are the premolars. Okay. 1, 2, 3 premolars I have prepared. Now, what I have to prepare? We have to prepare molar teeth. 4 types of teeth we have to make now. First, we have prepared 4 incisors, then 2 canines, then 4 premolars, and then 6 molars. Molars are little bigger than premolars. They are present at the back and they use for grinding the food. Okay? We will make it also like that, flat. And with the help of any sharp thing, we will make a groove here. Here again, we will make groove. I have made, you can see, these are molars. And what I have made? Premolars. And what I have made? Incisors. And what I have made? Canines. They are sharp. Comparative, they are sharp. And now what we will do? We have prepared this U shape. Okay. We will put a little Fevicol or any gum. What I will do? In each group, first 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we will put the incisors. What we will fix? We will fix the incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4 incisors, then 2 canines, then premolars, then molars. Now, I have made one for you. Okay? Already I have made this for you. This is a set. This is a set of two teeth. Okay? Okay, I have made this for you. What you can see, here are 4 incisors, 2 canines, 2 premolars. Then at the back, there are 3 bigger molar teeth. Okay, children? You can make like this. You all will make. Okay, this is the structure of tooth. Same type of present in upper jaw. This is the structure of lower jaw and same thing is present on the upper jaw. The size may vary. Incisors, it depends on the person also. Some persons incisors are little big and some are small. They are genetical. They get there by their parent. Okay, you all will make. You all make and share the photo in the WhatsApp group. What we have learned today? We have learned to make again I am going to show you what type of teeth you will make. These 4 type of teeth: canines, molars, premolars and incisors. Okay, one by one you will make and put a little Fevicol or gum there. बहुत थोड़ा सा, and then paste the tooth and wait for few seconds only, it will stick there. Now you can see here. Now come to the question answer. Take out your notebook. Define words we have written yesterday. Define words we have completed. Just after that, from new page, you will start this. What will be A? A was defined. B is give the difference between. The question 1. What is the difference? An organ and organ system. Children, this time you just understand. अभी आप केवल समझ लो. I will share these all things in your PDF group, in your group. These PDF from WhatsApp group, from where you will learn. What is an organ? An organ is a part of the body that has a special job to do in the body. Give me the example of some organ. Hand, legs, they are organs. And what is organ system? An organ system is made up of group of different organs. When different organs join together and do a specific task, they are called organ system to do any special work. Like in the examples of organ systems are digestive systems and respiratory system. In digestive system, many different types of organs like food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, liver, they all join together and do the function of digestion. And what system, organ system they make? Digestive system. Okay. Now come to the second one. You will draw a line with a scale and come to the second question. Write the difference between the milk teeth and permanent teeth. You all know a human being has 2 set of teeth. When in the previous early years, early months, they have milk teeth. Milk teeth are temporary teeth and they are 20 in number. We have 20 temporary teeth, 10 in each jaw. They begin to fall when a child is of 5 or 6 year old and they are replaced by a permanent teeth. Okay. When a child is of 5, 6, 7, 8 months, it starts growing. Now, what are permanent teeth? The teeth that grow in place of milk teeth are called permanent teeth. The permanent teeth remains with a person throughout his or her life if she or he takes good care of them. There are 32 permanent teeth, 16 in each jaw. Okay? We have made a set of permanent teeth. We have made the model of teeth now. How many teeth we have made? 16 in each jaw. Okay, this is question number 1. This is question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. Write the difference between incisors and canines. What are incisors? Now you have learned, after making the model, you have learned very well, na? The 4 front teeth in each jaw are called incisors. And what is the use of incisors? We use them to bite our food. Okay? And what are canines? Canines are sharp, pointed teeth on both sides of the incisor. Just after incisors, the canines are present. And we have number 2 is, and we have 4 canines, 2 in each jaw. And what is the use of canine number 2? We use them to tear the food. Okay? After writing the question number 3, you will draw a line with a scale and come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is the function of digestive system and that of respiratory system. We have to write the one difference between these two systems. We have read many in detail na in our previous classes. The function of digestive system is to break down the food into simpler form so that the body can absorb it. Okay, and the process is called digestion. And what is the respiratory system? The function of respiratory system is to help the body to use oxygen to get energy from food. This is called respiratory system. You will write these all 4 questions in very good handwriting after writing the today's date. You have started na in your index page, you have written the name of the lesson. That is very good. Then today again you don't need to write again the name of the lesson. Today you will start from the new page just after the define. Just after the define, you will write the incisors and you will write these 4 question answer one by one. 2 in one page and 2 in another page. Hardly it will take 2 pages. Okay. Now children, I hope you all will be able to do this work. Okay, what we have learned? We have learned to make a model of clay. You all will make the model of clay and share the photo, your model in your WhatsApp group. It is not necessary that you make it today. You can make tomorrow also. You arrange the things as earlier I have told you also. For that, what you need? This color, pink color and white color. These 2 colors, clay. Okay? And I have shown you also how we have made. Again, I am going to tell you. First, we will make a circle. First, we will make a circle. Pink color clay we will take and make. I am making the circle to make it smooth. After that, you press it like that and we have to make a jaw. And what is the shape of jaw? It is U shape. For making U shape jaw, you do like this. Okay. After that, what you will do? You will do like that and make it थोड़ा और बड़ा कर लेते हैं ना, because we have to fit 16 teeth here. थोड़ा और पतला कर लिया. Okay. After that, you turn in this shape. What I have done? I have turned in this shape. After that, what I will do? I will mark with a small riffle. जब मेकर हम लोग एक निशान बनाएंगे कि कहाँ पे कौन सा टीथ हमको रखना है. At very front, 4 incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 incisors. After that, what we will do? 1, 2 canines. Then 2 premolars on the both sides. 2 premolars. After that, 1, 2, 3 molars. 1, 2, 3 molars. Now you can see I have made a groove. ऐसा groove बना दिया ना? And here we will put a little Fevicol. We can put a little Fevicol. यहाँ पे बहुत थोड़ा सा और we can use this gum also. And side by side you keep it for a minute, and with the help of white, you will take the white clay, and with the help white clay, what you will make? Different types of teeth. You can make it the equal part, 4 equal part, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what you will make? 4 incisors, then you will make 2 canines, then 4 premolars, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many molars? 6. And you will fit those all like this. आप उसको ऐसे फिट कर दोगे आप. And your set of teeth is ready. Okay, you all will do. Okay. Now children, we must take care of teeth. We should brush our teeth properly twice in a day, once in morning and once. Why? You can see that there is a space between the tooth where the food particles get stuck and the bacteria grow. They eat them and make a sticky substance that is called plaque, and it causes the tooth decay and they spoil the tooth. To avoid these all things, what we should do? We should brush our teeth twice in a day and make it clean properly. I have shown you all the steps to how to make clean your teeth. Na? It is in your book also. Okay, children. Now it is what, and again, what one thing is needed for the growth of teeth? Calcium. So from where do you get calcium? From milk and different types of fruit like apple, orange, apple and pomegranate. Okay. So you drink a lot of milk and eat fruit for keeping your teeth and gums healthy. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Meet you in the next class. In our next class, what we will do? We will complete the question answer. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Meet you soon in the next class. Bye, dear.